All right. Now, say you're at a ball field. You're walking between fields. You know, maybe it's between the two games going on. You may be showing up, you may be leaving. You hear a ball get hit and you hear someone yell towards your direction, heads up. What's your first reaction? A lot of times I duck, I cover up. But you know, you got those random people who want to look up, you know, at something coming at them. Now, the main thing is, what makes your body react that way? Because it's that second you immediately jump into action. Well, I'm going to give you a brief insight about how the human brain works. Now, you may look at a brain and it looks like one simple organ just divided in halves. But there are 6 main sections to the brain that absolutely cover every function that your body goes through. The main ones that kind of appeal most to me, I like, are the left and right frontal lobes. Now these cover everything between, as far as your impulse reaction. It covers your ability to be able to organize things. Like, so when you get a stack of stuff you want to keep neat and you go into organizing, those 2 functions of the brains are giving you everything that you're wanting to do. It's telling you exactly, this would look better here, this will be better here. It'll all work out better that way. Now, they also have the parietal lobe. I'm not sure a lot of these names, I really couldn't even tell you how to pronounce them. I'm just following my research on it, and this is what I can tell you. So the parietal lobe, it controls like basically your 5 senses. Whether you touch something, you know how hot it is or how cold it is. Or it'll also interpret, you know, how much pain you can handle. So obviously, granted, yes, everybody has this section in their brain, but everybody's is different because everybody has their own amount of pain tolerance that they can handle. It's maybe too much for them or not enough for someone else. So between those, granted, I like those because those are the 2 main ones. Just I'm more impressed by them because it controls your behavior, your emotions, everything. It's like just in 2 sections of it, it covers so much of our everyday behavior. But there's 4 other sections that cover from as much to your blood pressure, to your heart rate, to your breathing, your swallowing. It's all controlled by your brain. Now, granted, in those frontal lobes that I was discussing with you, granted, yes, I look at those as being 2 of the bigger main sections of the brain that are also the easiest to get damaged. So a lot of times you may look at and wonder, like, what about the bicycle helmets? You know, everybody looks stupid riding with one of those on their head, but it could be why. If you were to damage those sections, think about all those controls that you could lose having that ability to take care of yourself with. So in this, I'm not going to be able to go into detail as far as every section to break down and tell you exactly what's going to protect what function does this, because I don't have all day to stand here to talk to you about it. So with this, I just want you to kind of understand that your brain is a main part of your everyday life and that you need to do what you can as far as to take care of. Now, a lot of people may think, like, okay, you just use the example with heads up to that you react and you cover yourself. You just learned that growing up. You're right, you do. You observe, you will learn all kinds of stuff growing up. Your brain is like a sponge, soaking it all in. So yeah, you learn what these terms mean and how you need to react to it, but if your brain's not there, you're going to be lost. You can hear heads up and you just keep walking, next thing you know, you're knocked out, you know, whatever. But so basically with this, your brain's the most important part that you have in your body. So I hope you can kind of understand a little bit that I've been able to share with you as far as what these sections of the brain do, and take that with you, and let's take care of our brain, shall we?
Yes, we shall.